Everyone is talking about writing books with artificial intelligence. But if you've ever tried opening ChatGPT and asking it to write an entire chapter, you know exactly what happens. The text is generic, soulless, and the AI forgets what happened on the previous page. The truth is that most AI tools were not made for writing books. But in 2026, the game has changed. I tested the main platforms on the market, and today I'm going to show you the 3 best AIs for anyone who wants to take an idea from their head and turn it into a real book. And most importantly, I'm going to give you an honest review. I'll show you the positive points, but also where each of them miserably fails. Stay with me until the end, because number 1 is a platform that does the work of an entire publishing house in less than an hour. Let's go. In third place, we have Sudowrite. If you want to write fiction, novels, fantasy, suspense, this is the most famous tool on the market. Sudowrite doesn't try to write the book for you. It acts as a co-author. Its big differential is the Muse model. The quality of the prose is excellent. If you're stuck, tools like Describe help expand the scene using the 5 senses. It understands the rhythm of fiction and avoids those AI cliches. But calm down, not everything is perfect. First, it's expensive. Plans range from $10 to $44 per month and work on a credit system. If you use the rewriting tools a lot, your credits evaporate quickly. Second, it doesn't export your book ready. You can't download a nice PDF or an EPUB. It gives you the raw text, and you have to figure out how to format and create the cover. Also, for nonfiction, it's terrible. It's amazing for polishing the prose of those who are already fiction writers, but it requires a lot of post-production work. In second place, I put a technical tie between the giants, ChatGPT and Anthropic's Claude. They are the absolute masters of brainstorming and research. If you have a confused idea and need to structure chapters, create a character's psychological profile, or research data for a business book, they are unbeatable. Claude, specifically, has a gigantic context window. It can remember an entire document without getting lost as much. The problem? The famous AI amnesia, or context rot. If you try to write a long book directly in the chat, by chapter 5, the AI has already forgotten the protagonist's eye color or the tone of voice of your book. The text ends up being robotic and repetitive. Not to mention that, like Sudowrite, they don't format the book. You have to keep copying and pasting piece by piece into Word. Excellent as research and structuring assistants, but terrible for generating the final manuscript fluidly. And we've reached our number 1, Smithbook. If Sudowrite is for those who want to polish words, and ChatGPT is for those who want to plan, Smithbook was created for those who want the book ready. It solves the biggest problem of other tools, fragmentation. With Smithbook, you don't need one app to write, another to format, and another to create the cover. It's an all-in-one platform. The brutal differential here is the workflow. You enter your theme, tone of voice, and target audience. The AI creates the structure, writes the chapters, maintaining coherence from beginning to end, without that ChatGPT amnesia, formats the pages, and even generates professional cover options. In less than an hour, you have a 100-page book ready to be sold on Amazon, exported in PDF and DOC. And the best part? The cost benefit. For about $19, you generate the complete book without worrying about token limits in the middle of the chapter. To be 100% honest, if you're a novelist who wants to spend months developing the complex psychology of a fantasy character, Smithbook might be too to the point for you. It really shines for entrepreneurs, mentors, content creators, and non-fiction authors who need to package their knowledge quickly and with professional quality. Want to focus on the art of writing fiction and have the patience to format later? Go with Sudowrite. Just need an assistant to organize ideas? ChatGPT or Claude. Want to turn your knowledge into a complete book with cover, formatted, and ready to sell today? Smithbook is, by far, the best choice of 2026. I left the official Smithbook link here in the description for you to test and create your first book. Click there and check it out. If this honest review helped you, like the video and tell me in the comments, what's the theme of the book you want to write? Hugs, and see you next time.